Hey guys, it's Paige.
And Morgan.
Here to give you the tea on tech. Let's set the scene for you.
Dun, dun, dun.
It's the day before your big project is due. You've worked all week on building the perfect presentation, and the unthinkable happens. Your computer won't turn on. Well, don't stress just yet. There's still some things we can try before we call it a total loss. Start by unplugging everything from your computer. Wait a few seconds, and then press the power button to try and turn it on. A little industry secret: if you're ever experiencing any type of issues with an electronic device, restarting it could solve a bunch of those. Sometimes though, it's not that simple. What we can try next is hooking your laptop up to an external monitor. This lets us know if it's a problem with your screen or if it's a problem with your computer itself. If nothing's showing up on the monitor and you don't hear your laptop or the fans running, we can assume that it's truly not turning on for some reason. It might be time to stop by and visit one of our techs to see what's going on. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time for more Tech Talk.